It is understandable that when you are doing uncomfortable things, you are going to doubt yourself. And on top of that, the fear of failure can really take over and engulf you. That is precisely when you need to get a hold of yourself. Fear of failure is going to make you think of different ways that you can escape and prevent you from facing any forms of humiliation or possibly embarrassment. Do you know how many Navy SEALs I have served with and spoken to that tell me failure is the only way to achieve peak performance? That is because it is only through failing fast and failing often that we make adjustments and improve. Don't give in to that fear. Instead, learn ways to fight it. Limit your options by telling yourself it needs to happen whether you succeed or fail. Learn to accept failure and take it as what it is, a learning experience and a way for you to become better. As Albert Einstein wrote, a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. It is okay to fail rather than giving in to the fear and not doing it at all. At the end of the day, at least you tried and you learned something new. That's all it takes. Sooner or later, your experience will help you and you will find yourself comfortable in uncomfortable situations because you have done the hard work to get through them. Hi, I am John Miles, the host of the Passion Struck podcast, and you're not going to want to miss some of our upcoming episodes that we do on Tuesdays and Fridays each week. These include Nate Dukes, the author of the book You'll Never Change, brain health coach Cindy Shaw, Ohio State All-American and NFL Pro Bowl cornerback Sean Springs, Gail Swift, who uses the Colby Index to help parents better understand their kids, and Amy Malin, who is creating social impact through the power of gratitude. But until then, you can check us out on our Instagram at Passion Struck Podcast or on our YouTube channel at John R. Miles. Remember, make a choice, work hard, and step into your sharp edges.